Who was the first person to describe and apply a scientific measuring technique for determining the size of the Earth? Pythagoras. Eratosthenes. Hypatia. Eratosthenes. What is the primary device in navigation or surveying for finding direction on the surface of the Earth? Chronometer. Compass. Protractor. Compass.
Like, comment, subscribe.
What is the broad, relatively shallow submarine platform that forms a border to a continent called? Continental drift. The coastal plain. A continental shelf. A continental shelf. A continental shelf. What section of the North American continental shelf, lying off the coast of Newfoundland, Canada, is a major international fishing ground formed by the meeting of the cold Labrador Current and the warm Gulf Stream? Outer Banks. Lake Michigan. Grand Banks. Grand Banks. In geology, what is a monadnock? A type of hill. A type of lake. A valley. A type of hill. What does the term Lewisian complex refer to? A mountain range named for Meriwether Lewis. Division of Precambrian rocks. 2 extinct volcanoes in Utah. Division of Precambrian rocks. What is the name of the Swiss-born American geologist, geographer, and educator whose extensive meteorological observations led to the founding of the U.S. Weather Bureau? Arnold Henry Guyot. Maud Leonora Menten. Raphael W. Pompelli. Arnold Henry Guyot. What kind of rock is formed by the cooling and solidification of magma? Metamorphic. Sedimentary. Igneous. Igneous. What was England's richest natural resource for most of the 19th and 20th centuries? Iron ore. Coal. Manganese. Coal. What term refers to any sudden disturbance within the earth that makes the ground shake? Avalanche. Tornado. Earthquake. Earthquake. What is another name for a drowned river valley? Peninsula. Ria. Bay. Ria. What type of spring issues water at temperatures substantially higher than the surrounding air temperature? Hot spring. Hot spring. Mineral spring. Volcano. Hot spring. What name is given to the flat land area that is composed of unconsolidated sedimentary deposits adjacent to a stream? Beach. Floodplain. Bank. Floodplain. What is the theory that posits large-scale horizontal movements of continents that occur over long episodes of geologic time? Greenhouse effect. Continental drift. Gradualism. Continental drift. Continental drift. What name is given to a bench or step that extends along the side of the valley and represents a former level of the valley floor? Bank. River terrace. Ridge. River terrace. River terrace. What is an aquifer? Pool. Guyot Mercator. William Morris Davis. William Morris Davis. What instrument is used to measure the ground oscillations produced by an earthquake? Seismograph. Seismograph. Radioscope. Spectroscope. Seismograph. Which theory, formulated during the 1960s, deals with the dynamics of the Earth's outer shell, the lithosphere? Quantum mechanics. Dipolar hypothesis. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics. What is the name of a fracture in the Earth's crust where the rocks on either side are displaced relative to one another? Epicenter. Fault. Drumlin. Fault. Who was the American geographer and geologist who founded the science of geomorphology? Henrietta Lacks. Guyot Mercator. William Morris Davis. William Morris Davis. Granite is an example of which rock type? Igneous. Sedimentary. Metamorphic. Igneous. What is a narrow strip of land connecting two large land areas otherwise separated by the sea? An isthmus. An isthmus. A strait. A peninsula. An isthmus. Where is the world's highest plateau located? Southwestern China. Western North America. Switzerland. Southwestern China. The San Andreas Fault is located in which U.S. state? Illinois. California. Missouri. California. In geology, what term is used to describe the lowering of a land surface by wind erosion? Erosion. Deflation. Windage. Inflation. Deflation. What is the name for a deposit of wind-blown sand and clay weakly cemented by calcite? Playa. Loess. Mulch. Loess. What do geologists call a broad bowl-shaped volcanic crater? A cinder cone. A cinder cone. A fumarole. A caldera. A caldera. Where is the Kalahari Desert, a large basin-like plain, located? Southern Africa. Central Asia. Northern Africa. Southern Africa. Which of these terms describes the rhythmic motion of water in lakes that is sometimes induced by earthquakes? Riptide. Seiche. Spring. Seiche. In geology, what is a meander? Small hill. Small hill. Extreme bend in a river or stream. Glacial debris. Extreme bend in a river or stream.
Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.